a novel coordinated control strategy for frequency regulation of MMC HVDC connecting offshore wind farms. Abstract. This paper addresses the weak inertia support and poor frequency regulation capability in power systems by proposing a novel coordinated control strategy for MMC HVDC connected offshore wind farms to enhance system frequency stability. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
The structure of MMC HVDC connecting OWFs is, the sending end converter station on the WF side is defined as WFMMC, whose control mode is the AC voltage and frequency control, so as to provide voltage and frequency support for OWFs. The receiving end converter station on the grid side is defined as GSMMC, whose control mode is DC voltage and reactive power control, so as to maintain the power balance of MMC HVDC system. This project was implemented and tested by using MATLAB 2018A and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.